All right, we're going to get started here a few minutes early. Just checking everything. I'm going to get started. All right, good evening. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone's doing really, really well. I wanted to do kind of a quick overview, take a look at the markets, kind of show you how the impulse scanner works. I get lots of messages throughout the week. Hey, can you do an overview? Can you do an overview? And that's why I'm doing it. So let me take a drink of water here. And I just want to kind of show folks the power of the impulse scanner. For those that don't know me, that are friends but never really engaged, I've been doing this, making money online for like 25 years now, the last 7 years. When I get to November 7th, the day before my birthday, it is my 7-year anniversary. And the unique thing about me compared to most people that I've talked to over the years is, you know, there's so many choices, right, on trading, and a lot are bad ones. And I have never deviated from right here and my team. 7 years. It was the first opportunity. You know, I was making money, affiliate marketing, all that kind of stuff. And it was the first team I looked at as far as trading. I did not know what the word Forex meant. And I am absolutely grateful because I know sometimes it's a struggle. I was talking to somebody who's getting ready to start, and he's like, oh, a couple other companies kind of popped up on the board. I understand all that, right? So I just want to present what we have for those that have never seen it before. And for members, you know, this is my first look at the markets as we go into a new week. So I've helped thousands of folks over the past 7 years as far as helping with trading, and I can help you as well. So this is the impulse scanner, okay? The impulse scanner is a piece of software that helps determine trend direction. It takes into account every arrow, right? 50 different market variables before that arrow paints. Nothing like it online. Nothing, okay? There is nothing online like it, okay? And then we have a few different entry models that we kind of focus on. So when folks first come on board, we have a 4-step, very objective scalping strategy that we teach for folks that have experience in trading, have no experience in trading, and it's just objective, right? It's not like, you know, one of the biggest things for folks that they struggle with when they're learning smart money and stuff like that is break of structure, okay? So in this entry model that I'm going to show you, it's just the 4 steps. Don't deviate from it, right? It is a scalping strategy, but as I have shown in previous content, there are opportunities for bigger moves. It's just all about how you manage and trail your stop loss, okay? So this is the scanner, and as you can see, it's kind of set up like TradingView, right? I can draw lines, all kinds of stuff. With this, you don't actually need TradingView, okay? And then one of the most important things that we want to make sure that when we log into the scanner is that this is on. Okay, see the gray is off. Now it is on. All right, and that is for the macro trend. Oh my goodness! So I'm on the 5-minute, and I can already show you a winning trade that was taken last week. Okay, I'm already can see it. So for those that are experienced, here. And it consolidated a while, but then it took off. All right, that's the 4 steps, and I'm going to show you those 4 steps, okay? So anyway, so here's the alert panel over here. We have Forex pairs, and there's a strength indicator for Forex pairs. We have commodities, gold, silver, stuff like that. We have crypto, we have indices, and we have stocks. And these are the time frames, Okay. We have an economic calendar. All right. One of the first things that you should do before you do anything with this chart is if you have not looked at the news, then you shouldn't be looking at this scanner. You shouldn't even be looking for trades until you know what news is coming up today and tomorrow, for sure. Okay. And I've looked, I updated my team in my private Telegram chat. It's no red folder news tonight or tomorrow. Definitely some country, a little FOMC news, but nothing red folder. Okay. So it is full steam ahead. All right. So there's obviously other indicators, there's alerts that you can add on, but this is what's most important right here. Now, if you go to settings, this is how you can set up your notifications. That's the beauty of the scanner, because one of the first things that folks always kind of struggle with, I don't want to be in front of a chart. Well, if you don't want to be in front of a chart, then trading's not for you. You're going to have to be in front of the chart. You're going to have some time in front of the chart. Okay? Give me, okay, we're good. Just want to make sure everything's connected. So you can set up for all your pairs that you're monitoring notifications that go directly to your phone. Directly to your phone. You get a notification. So you're not spending a ton of time on the charts. Now, obviously, when you're first new, you probably should kind of monitor most pairs. I monitor everything but NZD. For whatever reason, time frame wise, I can never trade NZD. Okay? And you can do that for commodities. Obviously, you can see that I only do gold. You can see all that they trade as far as commodities.